Hi, Vanessa here and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm doing a pretty exciting video. But before I tell you guys what I'm gonna do, definitely hit that subscribe button down below so you guys become part of the Inspirators family, because you need to be an official Inspirator before you watch my videos. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I film my videos, and I'm gonna show you guys the camera I use and the kind of equipment that I use to make my videos more improved and better quality. So that's what I do. Let's get straight into this video. So first of all, I have my tripod here, and this is what my camera stands on. So I'm just going to set it up here, and then I just kind of move it down. So I click it and it can move up and down, and I'll just move it to the right level so that it's not like up here or lower. It's exactly at the right angle so you guys can see everything that's going on when I film my videos. So if you guys are wondering what kind of camera I use the Canon Camera G7X Mark II. I've actually done a review about it, or an unboxing video about it. So if you guys like to see that video, I'll put it in the I button in the corner over here so you guys can see more of what the camera is. But the camera is absolutely great. It has such good quality for photos and videos. I love it because it literally feels like you're looking at yourself, because you can flip the screen up and down, so you can either film what you're looking at or film yourself, like what I'm doing right now. But it is so great. I love the camera so much. So one of my brand new additions to my equipment and how I set up is my brand new ring light. I had a small one from Christmas time, and then we saw one online and we bought the bigger one. So the bigger one, I just have to plug it in because I just have a little plug next to my bed. So I'm gonna plug that in, and you can kind of change how bright it is, and then I kind of put it on my drawers so that it's at the right angle and it still gives you great lighting. So I'll show you guys kind of like a before and after of how the lighting changes the video. So obviously it's a little bit bright and it's changing the camera quality really differently. So I'm just gonna hold it down here so you guys can still see my face. Then I'm just gonna put it onto the drawers, and maybe I'm going to lower the lighting a bit because sometimes it can be a little bit too bright and hurt my eyes as well. So I'm just going to quickly set that up, and then the lighting will be much more different. So now the ring light is set up, and I'm going to show you guys a before. Oh my god, it just fell down. So right now the ring light is set up, and so is my camera on the tripod, and I'm going to show you guys before and after. So right now the ring light is not on, so this is before the lighting and this is after. So obviously you guys can see the completed look. I obviously love ring lights because it makes like a little circle in your eyes, and I just think it looks really cool, and it also just makes the video look much better. I love my ring light so much. I've been using it ever since I got it, especially for TikToks and my YouTube video as well. So not only do I have some really good equipment, but I also have some great improved lighting as well. So if you guys want to improve your YouTube channel, or you want to take your YouTube channel to that next level and actually start doing it properly, maybe posting consistently and putting a lot of effort into your videos, then definitely I'll put all the links to all these different equipment and tools that I've been using in this video, like the camera, the ring light and the tripod. I'll put all those Amazon links in the description down below so you guys can go and check them out. And also don't forget to like this video if you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much to the person who requested this. I had so much fun filming this and showing you guys how I basically prepare to film my YouTube videos. It's not like a massive setup like in a studio, but I still thought this was really fun to film. Also don't forget to subscribe by hitting that red button down below, and also hit the bell button in the corner, because that way you'll get notified every single time I post a brand new video. Without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!